Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting clear permission and the exact SSID and password from your Kapitbahay. This avoids legal and ethical problems. Once done, make sure your device supports the neighbor's band, too. 4 GHz reaches farther while 5 GHz is faster. Also verify whether they will use a guest network or a MAC filter, because you'll need either the guest SSID or to register your device's MAC address. Now target the network on your device and open Wi-Fi settings. You tap the correct SSID and type the password carefully. Passwords are case-sensitive, so double-check special characters. If the device gets an IP conflict or no internet, switch between DHCP and a provided static IP. Your neighbor can give you an IP, gateway, and DNS to enter. Make sure the security protocol matches their router, WPA2 or WPA3. You should only accept a certificate prompt when the neighbor confirms it. Once the device obtains an IP, test loading a page or pinging a site. You finish by verifying internet access. Open a secure website and run a brief speed test to confirm usable bandwidth. If pages don't load, make sure the neighbor hasn't enabled guest restrictions, bandwidth caps, or a MAC whitelist that blocks you. Ask them to check the router's client list. If connectivity still fails, restart your device and ask the neighbor to reboot the router. This clears IP conflicts. If problems remain, exchange details and troubleshoot together rather than guessing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.